Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and we are doing the giveaway video to select a winner for my latest giveaway. Info on that in the giveaway video, but it is too late to enter as I'm about to choose a winner. A reminder, this is subscribers only to my channel, and US only, unfortunately. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially since I do hold these giveaways every now and then. And I've got 14 people today, so I'm just going to shake this a little bit. I hope everybody's having a lovely intro to summer. A lot of what I'm hearing about is cicadas, so, okay, hold on. I'm not looking. I am trying to pull out just one, though. I think I feel things attached. I don't know. Nothing attached to this. Okay. Number 1! That's awesome. I always kind of feel bad for number 1 because I think they're never picked, but you know what? 1 in 14, everybody has an equal chance. So this is number 1. And I will be back to let you know who that is. And don't forget to look out for my CADS unboxing video coming out a little later. And I'll be right back. All right, number 1 is Halloween Queen. So congratulations, everybody. Congratulate, I think it's Cassie or Cassandra. I'm always forgetting everything, so having a particularly brain foggy day today myself. Anyway, congratulations. Can't wait for the next giveaway. Very excited. I already have some stuff set aside for it. And don't forget to like and comment below. Congratulate the winner. If you please. It does help out my videos and recommendations, etc., etc. We all know how the algorithm works. But congratulations, Cassie. I am very happy that we have a winner. And next video is coming soon. So bye-bye. Have everybody have a great weekend. Talk to you later.